everyone, team. First of all, a warm welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings. So before starting the demo for today, can any one of you please confirm, team? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, audible.
Yeah, very good. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
Thanks.
you are audible.
Thanks
Yes,
for
sir.
Yes, you are
confirming.
audible. Audible.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for confirming, team. Yeah, thanks for that. Who responded in the chat as well. So before starting the session for today, team, let me tell you something. So in today's demo, we have multiple participants joined with different backgrounds, team. Like we have the participants like coming from the recent college passed out background. I mean freshers who recently completed their education and then planning to start their career in IT industry. We have the participants from that background, and also we have the participants that prior to this Oracle HCM cloud applications team, they might be working in some non-IT industries. I mean, prior to this, they might be having some non-IT experiences. Now planning to switch to IT by learning this technology team. And we also have the participants who having a career breaks after their graduation. They might be working for some time and then having a breaks, or after the graduation 3-4 years completed, not yet placed in any of the organization, having a gap in their career. And also we have the type of participants attending today already working in IT industry but in other domains, like they might be working in testing, they might be working in some other big data, Hadoop, or in any other domains team. So we have mix of population attending the class today team. So by keeping everyone interest in mind, we have muted everyone team. So I request everyone to please be on the mute, because if I start taking the doubts in between the class, people might get confused in between. Some might have a kind of subject oriented doubt. Some might have career perspective doubts, whether this technology is suitable to you or not, or what sort of packages will be, I have a gap, am I eligible or not? Different type of questions you might be having, team. So I request everyone to please note down your questions, team. At the end of the session today, I will be taking one-on-one QA session, team. So I will address all your doubts at the end of the session. So I request everyone to please be on the mute and focus on the concepts that what we are going to cover in this demo class today, team. Maximum 90% of your questions will be addressed in the due course of time. I mean, in today's session, I'm going to address you all that things, team. So once you complete the session, maximum of your questions will be addressed, team. 10 or 20% if anything else is missed, at the end of the class, I will be talking with one-on-one team. So don't worry about that. Please note down the questions, and then at the end of the session, we will have a Q&A round, team. So let me get into the details of today's demo, team. Why we are here. So today we are going to have a demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications, team. So what we are going to see in this today's session, team, I'm going to explain you how to land upon a high paying job even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge and with non-IT experience. If you are a beginner or a fresher, or you have a non-IT experience, you don't have any prior coding knowledge, you don't know any languages like SQL, PLSQL, Java, Python, any of the technical languages you might not aware of. How to land upon a high paying job without the coding knowledge and without the IT experience. So I'm going to explain you how to do that, team, because we have one such product or the application available in the market, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications, team. In this technology, as I highlighted here, team, it's a zero coding application. So people from any background, any other domain experiences, if they want to switch their career into IT, then this is one of the best technology we have in the market. So I'm going to introduce to you what is this technology or an application is about, who will use this application in the market for what purpose. By learning this technology, in what type of companies you will be starting your careers, on which designations, what type of salaries currently in the market we have in this domain, and down the line next 10-15 years, where you can see yourself if you be in this technology in an IT industry team. These all things I'm going to explain you in today's demo session, team. So once again, a warm welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings team. And my name is Kumar, and I am the trainer for this program on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So before moving to today's agenda, team, let me briefly introduce about myself, who I am, what sort of experience that I have in this particular domain. Let me briefly introduce about myself, team. So as I told you, my name is Kumar and I'm having total 14 plus years of experience in IT industry. I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist with overall 14 years of experience, team. Out of that, from the last 12 plus years, I'm into IT consulting team. And particularly with this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team, from last 9 years, I've been working on this Oracle HCM Cloud Applications. Prior to that, I worked on PeopleSoft, eBusiness Suite, and some other HR applications in the market team. And coming to my project experience, so in these 12 plus years team, I've been part of close to 14 plus end-to-end implementation, support, and rollout projects team. And coming to the clients that I worked for, I worked for the clients belong to US, UK, Australia, Finland, and UAE, Middle East countries. So I can say that I have a multi-country exposure in this respective domain team. So total 14 plus end-to-end implementation and support projects have been part of team. Currently also, I am working for a MNC as a solution architect team for one of the global clients. We are having the implementation. And then coming to the training experience team, I am a trainer. Like conducting the corporate trainings as well in the company's team, along with the regular trainings that happens in TrioTech every month. I do also conduct the trainings for company's team that we call it as corporate trainings. So we delivered close to 20 plus corporate trainings, like in order to upskill their employees in this technology. Even in the market, so-called IT companies will be conducting the trainings for their employees team. So as part of that, we delivered 25 plus corporate trainings, like in Tech Mahindra, in Deloitte, in DHL, in different companies, in American Express, we delivered the trainings team. And I'm an ex-Deloitte, Infosys, and E&Y employee. Currently also, I'm working for one of the MNC on a global implementation project team. A part of this, as I mentioned, I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist. So I have cleared all my certifications in Oracle HCM Cloud Applications team. And I am also a trainer in Oracle University as well directly. I do conduct the trainings directly in the Oracle University as well on this respective technology. So I have taken a couple of trainings with Oracle University as well team. So this is my professional experience and my association with this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So this is a brief intro about myself. Now, moving on to today's demo's agenda. So in today's demo, what we are going to see. So very important slide to focus team. For the next 1 hour, what you are going to learn, I have listed out here team. So let us see the agenda for today. In today's agenda team, first of all, I will explain you introduction to ERP team. See, this topic already experienced people working in other ERP applications you might aware of, but freshers or other non-IT people, by keeping them in mind, I have kept this concept first of all team. Here I am going to introduce to you the concept of ERP. Why this is required? Our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications comes under that ERP family team. So I'm going to explain you briefly what is ERP, what are the different applications available in the market, that all we will see here team. And then I will explain you what is Fusion applications and Fusion applications evaluation overview. What is this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications means? For what purpose this application will be used in the market? What type of companies will use this one? And what is the background of this? When Oracle launched these applications in the market, prior to that, what are the technologies we have in the market? The entire intro about the Fusion application and evaluation of the Fusion applications we will be talking here team. And then I will talk about types of companies involved. See, any software application you see in the market, typically in the usability of that application team, different types of companies will be involved. Like we have a vendor, client, then consulting or the implementation company, like that team. So here I will introduce to you types of companies involved in the usability of this Fusion application and where we will be working in the market. Once we learn this technology, where we will be working, who is called as client, what is the relationship we'll be having with our company and client, that all I will explain here team. And then we will talk about Fusion environment releases. It means team, every software will have a version. Even if you are using your Android mobile or Apple mobile, you have your software versions, right? Android 9.1 to 10.2, like that. The versions will upgrade, no? Even in Oracle Fusion applications also team, we have release versions. So when Oracle introduced this product in the market, what is the version they came up with? And now we are in 2024, August month. As of today, what is the latest version of the application? How the upgradation will happen? Okay, every time when the upgrade happen, what changes will come in the system? That all I'm going to explain you here, team. And then I will explain you modules in Oracle HCM Cloud. What all modules we have in this technology. As part of this training program, what we are going to cover and what is required for applying the jobs. That all I will explain here. So here, many of the participants who are attending the demo today, almost many of you already spoke with me. Some of you directly might be attending with your references team that we can have after the session one-on-one. But people used to ask me, Kumar, what is functional, what is technical, what we have to learn. And moreover, I don't have any prior knowledge on any coding related skills or languages. No SQL, no PLSQL, nothing I have. Where basically in the Fusion system, functional and technical will come. Here I am going to ice break on that team. What is functional? What is technical? And as part of this program, what you are going to get and what prerequisites are required. First of all, zero prerequisites, but any skills like SQL, PLSQL is required or not to learn this course. coding is required or not, I'm going to explain you here, team, in modules in Oracle HCM Cloud. Then I will talk about the career opportunities in this technology. What type of companies will recruit? Only MNCs will recruit, or the mid-level startup companies will recruit? What kind of designations we have in this domain? And what sort of starting salary packages for freshers or 3 to 4 years experienced people? What sort of market demand is there for this technology? We will talk here, team, in career opportunities. And then I will introduce to you Oracle's knowledge repository, team. Means how you can access standard Oracle documents with respective to this technology. See, anyhow, as part of the training, I'm going to provide you the detailed materials for every module, team. But on top of that, as a consultant or as a employee, when you are working in an organization in this technology, you should also explore Oracle standard documents, team. So how you can access that Oracle standard documentation in Google, where we have to go and where we have to search, that all I will introduce to you here, team. And then some of the participants were asking me, Kumar, is certification mandatory in this technology? If I learn this course is sufficient to get the job, or certification also have to do it? If yes, what is the cost of that? What is the process? What is the examination pattern? How many questions you will get? What type of support you will provide to us? That are questions people asking to. So that's why I have also included Oracle certification process, team. How to write the certification exam, how to get. First of all, certification is not mandatory at all. But if anyone want to write that, what is the approach we have? That we will see, team. And finally, I will conclude today's session with why to choose TrioTech software trainings and why to select Mr. Kumar as a trainer for you for this program. What benefits you will get? What is the course duration? Timings of the course every day. From tomorrow, we are starting the regular classes. Every day, what are the timings? And along with the course, what type of video materials or PDF materials, interview support you are going to get? I'm going to explain, team. And the cost of the program also. We have an early bird offer as well for the day one enrolled participants, team. At this point of time, I will explain you. So just if you go through the demo agenda, team, the way that I planned for today, maximum of your questions will get addressed, team. All your career point of view, subject point of view questions. That's what I'm telling. Beyond the mute, go through the topic that what I am explaining. At the end of the class, maximum 80 to 90% of your questions will be communicated, team, through the class. If anything else is there, we'll discuss at end of session. So now let's start with the very first topic for today, introduction to ERP. But even before that, I want to explain you who are the eligible participants for learning this course. Who can learn this course? First of all, any educational background constraint is there. You are from not BTech background or MCA background. You are from BSc, BCom, BBA, MBA, or different other science backgrounds, team. Are you eligible to this or not? Or you have other non-IT experiences, you are eligible to this or not? Let me just walk through who are eligible to learn this course and get the job. See, for whom this course is for. These are the points if you can walk through, team. If you are in your final year of degree or BTech or any other graduation, you want to learn a good technology in the market, high demanded technology in the market with a good package, then you are eligible to learn this. If you have just passed out graduate, don't know what to do, which application to learn, where to start the career, then this is one of the best high paying job in the market and a secure job and non-recession impact job, team. You are eligible to learn. If you want to get a high paying job, moving out of your current job, that is people from non-IT experiences. You might be working in a HR domains, as a recruiters, as a HR associates, or you are into banking industry, sales, or pharma, different industries team, non-IT to IT, you want to switch your career, then you can able to learn this course team. If you have a non-IT background and want to make your career in IT, yes. And if you want to get a salary of 25 to 45 lakhs per annum in next 4 to 5 years, I'm not telling it right now as a fresher, but next 4 to 5 years down the line, if you want to get into this type of packages team, this technology having that potentiality in the market, a person with 4 to 5 years of relevant experience in this domain drawing this type of salaries team. So down the line, next 4 to 5 years, if you want to get into this type of packages team, then absolutely you are eligible to pick up this course team. So there is no educational background constraint. People from any degree, any background, any experience can learn this. The best part with this Oracle Fusion applications team, companies will not look at your graduation or will not look at your technicality in your education team. Anyone from any background who can work on this are eligible to this technology team. So there is no prerequisite of having any technical degree of BTech or MCA. Anyone from any background can learn. So if you fall in any of these categories team, then this is the right technology for you. So as I again telling, this is a non-coding application, no coding application, rather you can call team. Already application is delivered by Oracle. We are going to configure client's data in the system. So nothing to write a code, nothing to write a logic or a procedure in the system. That is why people with having hesitation with coding or anything will be moving to this type of technologies team. It's a completely zero coding application. So this is your eligibility. So you can check out where you fall in these criteria team. In any one of these you fall, then definitely you are eligible to learn this course. Okay. Now moving on to the very first topic for today, introduction to ERP. What do you mean by ERP team? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. See, it is a business process management software that manages and integrates companies' financial, supply chain, operations, commerce, HR, everything. Now, team, you take any well-known company in the market as an example. Let's take our Indian MNCs. Tata is there, Reliance Industries is there, or any other companies you take team, or L&T, Amazon, Flipkart, Google, Apple, any company in the market you take as an example team. In every organization, there will be different business departments involved, different business activities involved with team. In every company, there will be a HR department, human resource department. What is the duty of that HR department team? The HR people in the organization will take care of all the employee management, like hiring of the employee, maintaining of the employees, their leaves every month, their salary processings, their performance appraisals, their benefits processing, hire to retire. Entire employee management in the organization will be taken care by the HR department in the company. Then there will be a finance department in every organization. All companies related accounts receivable, accounts payables, everything, finance department will take care of. If it is a manufacturing company, supply chain department or the business activity will be there, procuring the raw materials, then preparing the product and then transforming it to finished good, then procurement, like procuring the raw materials and all the department, then sales department will be there, marketing department will be there. In every organization team, different business departments or business processes are available team. So in order to conduct all these business activities, companies requires a modular tech based software application. For example, Take human resource department in any company in the market team. The responsibility of the human resource department people is what name? In the organization, the employee management they will handle. So let's say a company with 5,000 employees working. How the HR department will handle all that 5,000 employees information team? Manually, they can't do that, right? See, you can ask me, Kumar, prior to this ERP applications, how company? Yes, manually they used to handle how many employees working. They used to write in Excel or in manual books. Then they used to take the attendance every day, morning and evening. In our schools, how attendance will be taken, team? In the same way, which employee present today, which employee absent today. They used to take everything manually. Even salary processings also, every month they used to do manually and they used to maintain in the Excels and all. But team, if it is small company, 50 employees company, 100 employees company, manually you can handle all the things. But an organization with 5,000 employees, 10,000 employees, 15,000 employees, how they can manage all that things, team? So companies requires tech-based modular software applications to handle all their business operations, team. One such product, one such product offered by Oracle is Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application. HCM means human capital management. In any organization team, in order to conduct the HR business operations, these Oracle HCM cloud applications will be used, team. In order to conduct the day-to-day HR operations, team, they require a modular tech-based application. Our product is also that, team. So again, for financials separate, we have Oracle Fusion Financials, Oracle Fusion Supply Chain, Procurement, like that. So ERP is a concept or a family, team. Under this ERP, there are different products available in the market. Oracle's own product is Fusion Applications, team. Team, just small request. Please don't touch any of the options in the thumbnail coming up to you in the Zoom meeting. See, someone just scroll down all the, what do you say? They're drawing the lines on the screen. So please don't touch, team. There is an annotate button. If you touch it and if you draw, the entire screen is getting disturbed, team. See, please focus on the session. This is not something like you need to explore the things. You can explore later. Please don't touch on annotate, team, because other people also will get impacted. The screen is getting coming up with lines. Okay. Thanks for understanding, team. So enterprise resource planning, ERP, it's a category or a family, team. Under this ERP category, different products are available in the market. One such product Oracle company providing is Oracle Fusion applications. Like that, we have SAP, we have Salesforce, we have Blackboard, Northgate, we have Workday, and also our Indian ERP, we have Zoho. So these all are the ERP applications available in the market offered by different company. For your information, just I kept other ERP applications also, team, but we are going to learn Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application. So in any organization, team, in order to conduct the HR business activity, this Fusion HCM cloud applications will be used, team. So like that, different other domains also having the different other products, team. So this is about the concept of ERP and some of the other ERP products available in the market. You can refer here, team. And then moving on to what is Fusion application and what is its evaluation overview. See, if anyone asks me, Kumar, what is Oracle Fusion applications? I can describe Fusion applications into three categories, team. One, Fusion applications built on open standard based platform, Fusion applications built on best business processes, and Fusion applications built on deployed through selection of options. What are these things, team? Built on open standard based platform. People who are from a technical background, middleware background or other database backgrounds team, you might understand this. Just for information purpose, team, built on open standard based platform means what? The background schema of the Fusion applications were built on these individual technical tools in the market team. See, Oracle SOA, WebLogic Server, JDeveloper, OBIEE, Web Center Portal. These all are the individual technologies available in the market, technical tools available in the market team. So Fusion applications built on all these technologies. The backend of the Fusion applications team built on all these technologies team. Then they built on best business processes. Here you have to concentrate team. The background of the Fusion application you have to understand. See, Fusion applications built on best business processes. What do you mean by this team? What are these? Oracle e-business suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel. See, prior to 2006, all these are the individual ERP applications available in the market. So EBS is Oracle's own ERP application during that time, owned by Oracle Corporation team, e-business suite. PeopleSoft is owned by PeopleSoft Corporation. JD Edwards is owned by JD Edwards team. Siebel is owned by Siebel Corporation. These all are the individual ERP applications available in the market prior to 2006. But at that point of time, there was a situation team. None of the applications available in the market are very good at all the business areas team. For example, if you take Oracle's e-business suite team, Oracle's EBS is very good at financials business area, but not at HRMS or supply chain or procurement or CRM team. EBS is very good at financials business area team. Hyperion is very good at reporting. Siebel is very good at CRM, customer relationship management. JD Edwards is very good at procurement and financials. And PeopleSoft is good at HRMS team, our HCM. But none of the applications in the market during that time is stable or matured in all the business areas team. So what Oracle did team, in the year 2006, Oracle with $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all these products. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion. Anyhow, EBS is their own application. These all other existing top ERP applications at that point of time, Oracle acquired them with $18 billion acquisition in 2006. So by taking the best knowledge from them, from PeopleSoft, Oracle taken HRMS knowledge, from JD Edwards, procurement knowledge, from Siebel, CRM knowledge. By taking the best knowledge from the existing products, Oracle built this Fusion applications team. In 2006, Oracle acquired all these applications team, and in the year 2011, Oracle introduced this Fusion applications into the open world. So team, now we can say proudly, Oracle Fusion applications is very mature applications in all the business areas team. You take our HCM, you take financials, you take supply chain, you take PPM, CRM, every business area. Now the Fusion applications are performing very perfectly with a very matured way team. So in 2011, the Fusion applications introduced in the market. Now immediately some of you might be getting a question. Kumar, 2011 these applications introduced. Now we are in 2024, almost 13 years. Do you think that these applications still have demand? Absolutely. In 2011, Oracle came up with a initial beta versions team, a trial versions team. But the actual market for the Fusion application started from 2015, 2016 and 17 onwards only. From last 6-7 years only, the actual market for the fusion application started. First 4-5 years it took to penetrate into the market by the Oracle team. Now at 2024, if you ask me, there is a phenomenal adoption happening for this technology in the market. Many companies in the market today, you take US market, you take European market, you take Middle East market. Middle East entirely occupied with Oracle Fusion applications, and even in Asia, in India also team. Many companies in India nowadays, the very well known, if you are from Hyderabad or Delhi or Bangalore, very well known companies that which we will be seeing in our day-to-day life. Our well known banks, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and even SBI and DHL, American Express, and the well-known pharma companies, Arabindo Pharma, Hetero Pharma, all these companies also using Oracle Fusion applications team. The extent the Oracle Fusion applications penetrated team from US market to European to Middle East to Asian region. Across the globe, Oracle Fusion applications penetrated team. So today there is a rapid adoption happening team. The reason behind is what team? Fusion applications on a cloud-based technology Oracle offering, and the maintenance cost, everything is borne by, reduced, and also team more sophisticated and the stable applications Oracle offering in the market. And moreover team, when Oracle acquired these ERP applications, whoever their PeopleSoft customers, EBS customers, Siebel CRM customers, Oracle insisting them to move to Fusion applications team, because the next future by Oracle will be in ERP area, Fusion applications. They want to make Oracle Fusion applications as one of the topmost ERPs in the world. So that is the reason team, they stopped selling their existing PeopleSoft, e-business suite, Siebel applications team. Whoever the company is already using them, support Oracle giving. By 2032 or 2035, Oracle given the deadline. To this extent only we will support. Post that, you have to move to Fusion. That is the reason team, many companies in the market moving towards Fusion applications team. And there is a huge resource crunch there in the market team. Application became very successful. Many companies adopting, but to handle the technology, resources in the market are not that ready team. So that's the reason the market wise openings, if you see in this technology, we have very good openings. If you are a fresher or you are a 1 year experience, 2 year experience, 3 year experience, not ever the matter team. If you are good at the subject, companies recruiting candidates team, and with a very good packages. A person with 3 to 4 years experience in this domain, companies offering 15 to 25 lakh CTC team. There is no boundaries in this technology. Something like as a HR terms, when you are moving from one company to another company, you will have a maximum hike of 12% or 13%. No, we have seen candidates getting 100%, 150% hikes also team. A person with 10 lakhs package, when he skip the company, move to another company team, is getting 20 to 23 LPA. So there is no boundaries of HR policies, nothing in this domain team, because the demand is very high, the resources are not available that much. So the right time for getting into the industry in this technology team to grab that opportunity. So this is about team Oracle's Fusion evaluation. What are the prior applications we have? And when Oracle introduced this Fusion applications, I have explained this to you now team. And then team, Fusion applications deployed through selection of options. See, cloud and on-premise team. See, prior to Fusion applications team, whatever the application Oracle have, Oracle EBS, this all team, these all are on-premise applications team. Means what? When any company buy this product from Oracle, they used to buy application. They used to buy the server. They have to install that application in the server. They have to first install that server in their office premises team, and application have to be installed in our laptop or system. Everything is an on-premise. It's a traditional mode team. But Oracle Fusion applications are completely on a cloud-based technology. Simple team. Cloud-based technology means what? A software that is hosted over the internet team. Like how you will access your Gmail, you will go to Google, just you will type as gmail.com. Then it will ask you for sign in password. Facebook you take. How you will access Facebook in your laptop team? You will go to Google and just you will type Facebook. URL will come. You will give your user ID password. You can enter into your application. Right, team? Same way, the Fusion applications also, team. Any company in the market, if they want to purchase this Fusion applications from Oracle in order to use in their day-to-day business HR activities team, how the application will deliver, team? Just I will show you, see. This is Fusion application team. Just a URL. We have to pass it in our Google, search it, then it will prompt us for sign in team. So in my Google Chrome, already my passwords are saved team. That is why directly it is logging in, but it will ask for sign in team. Once you give your user ID and password, you will be entering into the application team. So you no need to install any software or the application in your laptop or PC. No need to buy any server, installing that server in your office premises, maintaining the application, nothing team. See, just a web link. This is the Fusion application team. Any company, when they buy the product from Oracle, the application will be delivered like this. Just they can pass that URL in any of the browsers. Basically, sign in will ask team, but directly in my laptop, they are auto saved. That is why it came directly, because previous batch, last class, I'm taking up the session on this. So this is what the look and feel of the Fusion applications team. So you are going to learn this application only. So anywhere I installed this in my laptop? No. Did I run any program in my laptop? No. Just I pass it the URL in the Google Chrome, then the user ID and password I will give, then I could able to access the application team. So Fusion applications are deployed through selection of options. Means earlier we used to have on-premise, but now completely on a cloud-based model team. So client will use the application in this way. So just you should have a laptop or a computer with good internet connection. That's all team. You can able to access the Fusion application. So you can explore team. You will be getting all these access for hands-on practice. You can explore all these things. So this is about team. What is Fusion application and Fusion application evaluation or the background of it team. Now let me move on to types of companies. Now everyone understood what is this application, for what purpose in the market this application will be used. Now team, let us talk about types of companies. See, experienced people, you aware of all these things. I mean, types of companies under. But keeping everyone in mind, yes, I want to just discuss 5 minutes on this topic team. Freshers and non-IT people, you should concentrate on this more. What is this team? Any software product you take in the market, it might be Oracle Fusion, it might be AWS, DevOps, or Azure, or full stack. Any application in the market you take team. Typically, 3 types of companies involved in the usability of the application team. First of all team, service provider company. We call it as vendor, nothing but who selling the product. For example, team, this Fusion applications are owned by whom? Oracle Corporation team. So Oracle is the vendor in the market, service provider team. Oracle Fusion applications are owned by them. So this company will be selling the product. So we call this company as a service provider company or a vendor company team. who is selling the product. Then team, client. Here and then from last 10-15 minutes, I'm using a word, client, customer, team. Client companies means who team? Company who purchasing the Oracle product. For example, team, you take Reliance Industries team, the very well-known Indian company we all familiar with. Now, Reliance Industries want to buy this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications for using in their day-to-day HR business activities team. So what Reliance will do? Reliance will reach to Oracle and they will buy the product for them. So Oracle India Private Limited is the service provider and Reliance Industries is the client, customer. So client or the customer means team, company who buy the product and use that product in their day-to-day activities. We call that type of companies as client company or the customer company team. Okay, Oracle sold the product, Reliance bought the product from them. Now, Reliance is not a IT company. They're into automobile, they're into manufacturing, they're into telecommunications, they're into entertainment, different industries they're into. Now, Reliance want someone to configure the application according to their business requirement. Because team, when any client or the customer companies buy the product from Oracle, Oracle will deliver the blank application team with their standard functionalities and the options. Oracle will be selling the application team. So these client or the customer companies require someone to configure that data according to their requirement. So team, the role of consulting companies will come into the picture. Who are consulting companies team? Companies who implementing the product according to the client requirement. So-called IT companies in the market team, Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, TCS, Cognizant, Accenture, Capgemini, who not, any IT company in the market. We call them as consulting companies team. These are the so-called software companies in the market team. So when a client or a customer buy the product from Oracle, they require someone to configure the application according to their requirement. Now what Reliance will do? Reliance will give the project to these consulting company. Let's say Reliance given the project to Deloitte. So Deloitte will implement the client's application team. So once you learn this technology, where you will be starting your career, you will be working in these consulting companies team. In the so-called IT companies on this domain as a consultant, you will be working here. So now you are working in Deloitte on this Oracle HCM cloud applications team. Now Deloitte got the project from Reliance team. You will be deployed for that client's implementation. So we have to configure the data according to their requirement. In this training, I am going to cover that only. When you be in the project, okay, how you will implement the system according to the client requirement, what all configurations you have to do. That is what we are going to cover in this training also team. So you will be working in these IT companies in the market. When you got your company got the project team, you will be allocated for that. So you will be working for the client's implementation team. So this is about types of companies involved and where you will be working in the market. Here, Kumar, why you kept IBM, Deloitte, Accenture, Tech Mahindra? These are consulting companies, no? See, Oracle alone cannot sell their product to everyone. For example, you take Apple iPhone team. Apple iPhone will be sold directly by Apple in the Apple store. At the same time, they will be giving the options in Big C, Bajaj Electronics, Lot Mobiles, Sangeeta Mobiles. We have other options, right? iPhone you can purchase directly with Apple or you can purchase from other mobile service providers. Similarly, Oracle Fusion applications also team, Oracle directly will sell or else team, Oracle will have the partners team, so-called IT companies in the market, Oracle will give gold, platinum, silver partnerships team. On behalf of Oracle, they can also sell. They will have their margins and they will sell that team. So sometimes service provider or the vendor can be Oracle directly, or the IT companies also will be selling the product team. So these are the types of companies involved in any of the applications. I'm not talking about only Oracle Fusion. Any software application in the market you take, this relationship you understand. Who is client? Everywhere, even if your friends are working in IT, you might be hearing with them, my client is that, my client is this. This is what client or the customer means. Who using the product is the client. Now team, let's move on to Fusion environment releases. I told you in 2011, Oracle introduced this application. When they introduced this, what is the release version they came up with? Team, today as it is a demo, session will be slightly extended for more half an hour team. But from tomorrow, timings will be strictly 8 to 9 because we have some additional concepts and Q&A session. We will be having a slight bit of extension. So I request please be on the call till the end of the session to get all the details about the program and the support from the point of jobs what we are giving team. And meanwhile, our admin team reaching out in the WhatsApp chat with a Google form. Who are interested to enroll to the program starting from tomorrow, please drop your details team. Then only we can able to communicate with you for the enrollments today. So please fill the form and then our team will communicate after the session team. So now let me talk about the Fusion environment releases team. I told you in 2011, Oracle introduced these applications in the market team. So when Oracle introduced Fusion applications team, they came up with a version called R1, release 1. Okay. Since then, the Fusion applications evolved. Now we are in 2024, right? The latest version of the Fusion applications is team R13 now. So in the year 2011, when Oracle introduced this applications team, they came up with release version 1. Then since then, the application got evolved team, and now the latest version is R13, release 13 team. Kumar, what is this release versions? Yeah, every software will have this software versioning stream. So as I told you, even in our Android mobile or Apple iPhone, we have iOS, right? iOS 9.5 to 10.5, 11.5 to 12.5. Every year we will get the upgrades, right? So what happens, team? Every time when the upgrade happens, some sort of new features we will be finding up in the mobile. Some existing features might be removing from the system, like that team. So in Fusion applications also team, Oracle will provide the upgradations to their application, and then they will have their sequencing team. So in release 1, they launched the applications team. Since then it got evolved. Now we are in 2024. The latest version of the Fusion applications is team R13. So Oracle made this R13 as a static team. Actually, by 2017 only, we reach out to R13. Since then, Oracle made this as a static release version team. So if anyone asks you the Fusion application version, tell that R13, because Oracle is not going to change the version going forward. They made R13 as a static version for Fusion team. From R1 to R9, from R1 to R9 or R10 close to team, we used to have the application both on-premise and a cloud-based models team. So during this period, whoever the companies bought the Fusion applications team during these releases, application used to deliver both on a cloud-based and on-premises team. Cloud means like this. On-premise means client have to buy the server and install that in their office premise, install that application in that. They have to recruit their DBA administrators, network engineers, system specialists, everyone. Everything used to maintain by the client who buy the product from Oracle team. During this time, whoever the customers bought, Oracle Fusion applications offered in both of these models team. But from release 11 onwards team, completely, release 10 and release 11, I believe, completely Fusion applications are now in cloud applications only team, on a cloud-based model. There is no on-premise team. Completely now the Fusion applications are in cloud-based model only. And then team, Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy team. Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy. What is quarterly upgradation policy, Kumar? See, in a year, we have 4 quarters. Jan to December, let's say 12 months is a year. We have 4 quarters team. Every 3 months is a quarter. Jan, Feb, March is 1 quarter. April, May, June is 1 quarter. So yearly for 4 quarters, 4 times Oracle will provide the upgradation to their application team, because Oracle invests a lot in the research and development team to give a more sophisticated, seamless experience to their customers. Oracle continuously try to improve their application team. So in every quarter, every 3 months, when they providing the upgradation to the application, what happens team? Some new enhancements in the system Oracle will bring. Some new features Oracle will bring in the system. Some existing old features, what are unused by many customers, they will remove that. And if any bugs, issues are there in the system, fixes Oracle will give. Like that team, every 3 months, Oracle will upgrade their application team. For that matter, Oracle designated each quarter as alphabet A, B, C, and D. 4 quarters, right? They designated as A, B, C, D. This is Jan to March. This is April to June. This is July to September. This is October to December. So all the 4 quarters in the year team, Oracle designated with the names alphabet as A, B, C, D. And then the versioning, they will be following like this. Now we are in August month team, 2024. August means what team? We are in 3rd quarter. Correct? We are in 3rd quarter of this year team. The latest version of the Fusion application is team now release 13.24C. This is the latest version of the Fusion applications team. So Oracle designates the versioning like this. Next, when we enter October team this year, the next upgrade version will give like 24D. So 24 means the financial year 2024. C means 3rd quarter upgrade team. Next will be 4th quarter. D means prior to that, in the month of April, May, June team, we have the version name as 24C. Prior to that, 24A. Next year, when we enter team, the version sequence will name like this: 25A, then 25B, 25C, 25D. So every year, 4 times Oracle will upgrade their application team. So Kumar, where we can find that? Once you get the application access today, after you logging in team, you can go here. Once after logging in, here you have settings and actions button team. If you come to settings and action button, at the bottom you have team about this application. If you click on that, you can able to see the release version of your Fusion applications team. See, Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications 24C, and then up some number is there, 11.13.24.07. Kumar, you told release 13. No, yes, R13 will be there. See, application development framework, if you see REL 13. Middleware extension, if you take REL 13. Database compatibility, if you see REL 13. So as of today, 29th August, the latest version of Fusion applications is release 1324C. So we have to call like this team, release 1324C. The latest version of the Fusion applications is what team? R1324C. Next quarter, it will change to R1324D. So every quarter, when application upgrades, the versioning will take like this team, A, B, C, D, prefixing with the current financial year. Now let us try to debug these numbers team. R13 we understood, they made as a static version. 24, that financial year team. C means third quarter we are in. What do you mean by 11.13.24.07 team? 11 stands for 2011, the year which Oracle introduced the market in the applications in the market team. 13 stands for release 13, R13 team. 24 stands for the current financial year we are in, 2024 team. 07 stands for we are in which quarterly upgrade team? 24C, third quarter. In third quarter, what is the first starting month team? July means what? 7th month in the year. 07 team it will take. Next quarterly upgrade, if you want, you can take the screenshot and keep it team. By that time, we are in the course period only. You will be seeing that. We are in August almost, September, October. 24D also you will see a team. The next version will come like this. 24D, 11.13.24. In fourth quarter, start month is what? October. October means what? 10th month. 10.0. 0 is common for everything team. So the next quarterly upgrade team will be coming up with this sequence. So every year, 4 times Oracle will upgrade their application team. Every 3 months. And the versioning sequence, it will follow in this format. It's a static thing. Okay. What happens every time? Someone of you might get a question. Are Kumar, every 3 months, if new functionality is coming, any impact to the existing functionalities in the system? No team. Phenomenal changes you won't be finding. Any basic functionalities, cosmetic level, that all team. So whenever you working in this technology in the real time, every quarterly upgrade, when Oracle upgrading the application, what new features Oracle bringing in, you should also learn team. It's a very small thing, hardly 10-15 minutes it will take every 3 months. So Oracle will provide the standard documents for this, like in the next quarterly upgrade, what new features they are bringing in. So we call it as release notes team. That I will introduce to you in the knowledge repository team. Here I have kept, right, Oracle's knowledge repository. In that I'm going to explain you team how to access the Oracle release notes, every quarterly upgrade, what happening. In real-time projects team, when you are working for your client, when this quarterly upgradation happening, certain activities we will be doing team. We have to prepare the document. We have to present it to the client team. These are the features coming in this release. So if you want, we can opt this one. No impact to our existing functionalities. And when Oracle upgrading the application team, we have to do some testings also team. We call it as impact analysis testing, regression testings, sanitary checks and all. These are too early to discuss team, but as part of the placement workshop, we will be conducting the workshop sessions on interview preparation and placements team. During that time, we will be talking about the implementation project team like this. Subject anyhow you will learn in this next 3 months of the period. Technical things you will learn, all modules implementation. But out of the subject, some people I know will be changing your current experiences and you will be portraying the relevant HCM experience and you will try for the job. So in that time, you should aware of the processes happens in the organization's team. Means how the project will start. First of all, how the interaction with the client will start. What are the different phases we have in the project? In each phase, what we will do, what type of documents we will prepare and we will hand over to the client. From project management plan, kickoff meeting, till the go live, handovering the project to the client. What are the different phases? In each phase, what documents? See, RD50, VP80, MD50, TE40, BR100, different documents are there. So when we will be conducting the workshop sessions on these real-time project implementations team, I'm going to explain you even this upgradation activity also. So every time when the upgrade happening in the system, what activities that you have to do. So these you will be getting knowledge team. So Monica, please stop annotating on the screen. Please stop annotating because the screen is getting lines. 1 second. Yeah, thank you. So this is about team quarterly upgradation policy that Oracle system will follow and upgrade their application. Participant name Monica, please stop annotating or else I have to keep it in your waiting room because the session is getting disturbed. Request please Monica, please stop annotating on the screen. Don't touch your screen team, just relax and concentrate on the session. No need to play with the Zoom tiles. Okay, thank you team. Then let us talk about team Oracle Fusion application modules in the system. Here we have to talk team. In this Oracle HCM cloud applications, what all concepts we have to learn team? Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. Okay. Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. This is the technology or application we are going to learn now. So what all concepts we have in this team? What comes under functional? What comes under technical team? Let us talk about them. See, in Fusion HCM cloud applications team, we have the modules team. Modules in Fusion HCM. What all modules we have team? Let me write about that here. We have something like team core HR or global HR team. Then we have absence management. Then we have payroll management, right team? Payroll management. Then we have talent management. In talent team, we have multiple sub-concepts are there, sub-modules rather, profiles, goals, performance management, succession management, talent review. Like that, we have a couple of sub-concepts team. Then we have something like team compensation and benefits. Actually, these two are the two different modules team, but in a regular terminology to call, we call them together, compensation and benefits. But again, these two are two different modules team. Then we have something like OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. Okay. Then we have some advanced modules team like OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. This is very important understanding team. Okay. Oracle Learning Cloud, Oracle Recruiting Cloud, Oracle Recruiting Cloud, that we call it as ORC, and something like Help Desk and Safety and HCM Communicate. So these are the total modules we have in this Fusion HCM cloud applications team. Now, a part of these modules team, we have some more concepts as well. What are they? We have something called security administration. Okay. And we have something called workflows and approvals. Okay. And then we have something called sandbox, that is customizations in the system we can do team. Here only we have to talk about HCM Design Studio or Redwood Enablement and all team. And then we have something called team Inbound Integrations. In inbound integrations, we have something like team HDL, HCM Data Loader and Spreadsheet Data Loader Tools team. Okay. And then team, we have something called outbound integration. Here we have the tools like BI Publisher team, okay, BI Publisher, OTBI, and HCM Extracts team. These are the reporting tools we have in the system. And then team, we have something called common concept fast formulas. Fast formulas team. So these are the total concepts in the Fusion application we have team. So here, what comes under technical or what comes under functional team? All these modules in the system, these things will come under functional side of the application team. We call all these things are functional and these are technical team. Simple. These are functional and these are technical. See, if you ask me on a personal note, workflows, security, sandbox, these things also I will tell functional only. But as part of the training activities, not only me, every training institute in the market to segregate functional and technical, these concepts are covering in technical team. Because technical scope in Fusion system is very limited compared to EBS team. So to make a course of technical, we are including these concepts as part of technical team. But precisely, these also comes under functional. But as a point of curriculum, if you see team, these comes under functional side and these comes under the technical side of the application team. So what are these? Core HR means what? Absence means what? Payroll means what? That you will be understanding once we starting the classes team. From tomorrow, we are going to start with our regular classes. Then you will be understanding team. So basically, core HR module in this, we will be maintaining the entire employees in the organization. All client organizations, employee hiring, their transfers, promotions, everything will maintain in this module team. Absence module is a leave management module. In every company, different types of leaves will be provided team. So configuring of the leaves, assigning to the employees, that all will handle in this module. Payroll salary management module team. Every month we have to pay salaries to the employee. All that salary component setups, running the payroll, paying the salaries will handle in this module. Then in every company, performance appraisals will be their team. Correct? For every employee after the year, company will conduct the performance appraisals and the reviews, ratings, and their promotions will be given. That all will handle in talent management team. A part of salary, any other compensational payments you want to give to the employee, like you want to pay bonus, overtime, or any stocks or shares you want to allocate to the employee, that all will handle in compensation module. Benefits module, we have to process the insurance plans team. In countries like US, mandatorily will be there. Every employee every month have to pay certain premium as part of their insurances team. Dental insurance, pre-tax insurance, health insurances like that. That all we will handle in benefits module. Then we have OTL team, Oracle Time and Labor. See, in every organization, employee time recording is important. When he came every day in the morning, when he left the office, total how many hours he is present, punch in, punch out, swipe in, swipe out. That all employee time recordings will be taken care in OTL module, time and labor team. Then OLC we have, Oracle Learning Cloud. Means what team? If you are working in any organization, when you join any company team, your company in the initial onboarding time will ask you to complete some mandatory trainings team. They will give you a portal. Classes will be there. You have to complete that. Then they will have the online exam you have to write. So in an organization, if a company want to conduct any online classes, trainings to their employees and conduct their exams and give the certificates, this OLC module will cater that team, Oracle Learning Cloud. Then for all recruiting activities team, starting from job postings in the different job portals, downloading the profiles, scheduling the interviews, releasing the offer letters, onboarding, everything will handle in Oracle Recruiting Cloud module. Like that, help desk is one module, this internal ticketing tool. So we have different purposes of all these modules team. But what I will talk in detail once we get into the program team. Similarly, we have security concept, handling of user account creations to the employees, giving the access to the system and all will be handled here. Then approvals we have, inbound integration for bulk uploading of data into the system, HDL spreadsheet we have team. Then outbound integration, 3 reporting tools we have, BI publisher, OTBI reports, HCM extracts team. So these are in and out the total concepts in the Fusion system. Now, where any prerequisite is required, anywhere to handle these things, do we require any coding languages or any prior requisites are there? Nothing team. Only in this outbound integration, in this BI publisher and small portion of extracts team, here SQL knowledge is needed. What is that team? SQL knowledge is needed. It's a language basically. It's not a coding or anything. SQL is a language to write a query, to retrieve the data and to build the reporting. Only in this BI publisher, okay, this SQL requirement is there. If you are not aware of this, Kumar, I don't know SQL. Are you asking me to learn this now? No, absolutely not. Because no one in the market working in the technology will have the knowledge and all this, rather not required also. So in your profile, you can skip this BI publisher team. So SQL is also not required. If you people already aware of this SQL team, then you can able to keep that also in the resume team. So this is about the total modules we have in the system. And coming to our training program, what we are going to cover as part of this training team from the point of functional. So this is going to be a techno-functional training team because market is very keen at techno-functional resources team. So we are going to cover core HR, absence management, payroll management, talent management, and also team compensation. Benefits will not cover, compensation will be covered as part of this team. And then a part of these things, all technical components, security, workflows, sandbox, inbound integration, outbound integration, fast formulas, everything will be covered team. Whatever I highlighted in the bold, these components will be covered as part of the training. Kumar, when I am dropping my resume, do I have to keep all these components in the resume? Not required team. Basically 2 to 3 modules from the functional, you be strong enough. Core HR, absence, payroll. If time permits, talent. If not, core HR, absence, talent, or compensation. Like that, you try to work on the combination team. I will be assisting over the time of period when the resume preparation session starts. I will let you know again what things you have to primarily focus. Market is looking very keen at which modules team. So 2 to 3 modules from the functional and keep these technical components team. Outbound part, if you don't know SQL, BI publisher, please ignore, not required. Even then your profile will be considered for technical also team. So as part of the training, these all will be covered. Now coming to the roles, what type of roles available in the market in this domain team? See, once you learn this technology team from TrioTech, you can drop your resume as a core functional consultant. Okay, Kumar, I want to go with only functional, Kumar. I don't want technical to loop in. Fair enough. Keep 3 to 4 modules and you can drop functional consultant or a core technical consultant, or you can drop as a techno-functional. This is my choice to my students team. Techno-functional consultant. Because why I will tell you, in a project team, if you take, for example, let's suppose, I assume it's a big project, 10 resources are working team in the project. How many? 10 resources. Resources means 10 candidates working team in a project. Out of that team, the weightage will be like this. There will be 6 to 7 functional resources team in the project, only 2 to 3 technical resources team. Okay, 6 to 7 functional and 2 to 3 technical resources. Because team, in Fusion applications, the technicality scope is limited team. Even a functional consultant can able to perform all these things. But in EBS, Oracle's prior application, e-business suite, if any one of you from, you know how tough the technical role in EBS team. But in Fusion, it's not that tough. Functional consultant only can handle. In a 10 resources project team, functional people will be usually high, 6 to 7. Technical consultant will be 2 to 3. But team, rather than taking 2 people in a project, if a person knows both, taking him will be an advantage to the company, right? Rather than paying 2 employees salary, company will pay 1 person only. That's a very cost cutting point of view, companies will benefit. So that's the reason many companies nowadays looking for techno-functional. So when you learn the subject also, learn from both the perspective. Don't go with only functional. If you don't have the bandwidth, you are feeling more burden, then you go with core functional or core technical. Core technical, I don't suggest team, because only limited concepts we have in technical. And even in the market, when you drop the resume also, compared to other profiles, technical will have a little bit of less requirements because here only that work is done. So my suggestion is better you also should plan for techno-functional team. So if you learn these concepts, they are more sufficient to make yourself as a techno-functional consultant team. So this is about the modules we have in the system. And as I am telling again, you are from any type of backgrounds, you are from any non-IT experiences, any gaps, anything, you can learn it team. Our training methodology will be from a very basics fundamentals to the complex level. By completing this program with the duration of 3 months, end-to-end implementation experience you are going to get. Means one full life cycle of project implementation you are going to experience team. We will be maintaining this spreadsheets team for every module. Let's say this is global HR sheet. What all configurations we have to do, everything we will have team. And then once you configure the system and once you hand over it to client, in their day-to-day life, what type of transactions their HR people will do. We will see the training from both the perspectives team. From the configuration, and once we hand over the system, how they will use what all transactions team. For every module, this is absence module, all configuration sheet we have. Then this is payroll module, then profiles, then goals and performance, compensate. Every module we will have this type of spreadsheets team. So this is going to be a comprehensive end-to-end implementation training team. So what will be the timings of this program? What is the duration and what type of support that you will be getting from our side? So see team, these are the course features team. Duration of the program will be for 3 months. Okay. And the timings will be Monday to Friday, every day morning, 1 hour team, 8 to 9 a.m. Zoom meeting link will be shared with you team. So every day, Monday to Friday, 8 to 9 a.m. So today is the demo. From tomorrow, we are starting the regular classes team, morning 8 o'clock. So today, whoever enrolled, you will be getting a new meeting link for attending the session tomorrow onwards team. So the duration of the program will be 3 months, Monday to Friday, 8 to 9 a.m. Along with this, you will be getting lifetime access to the video recordings. So if you could see, my video is also currently recording team. So everyday sessions will be uploaded in the portal. So today after the enrollment team, you will be creating with the user account. We will not be sharing the links in Drive folder, nothing like that team. We have an official e-learning portal. Every one of you, you can please try it out. Just you can go to TrioTechSoftwareTrainings.com. This is our website. Here you will have live classes login. Go to live classes login, and here you will have your password team. You can able to give your password here, user ID and password. So once you pass your credentials and once you log in, you will be taken to the dashboard of your team, right? And here you have your courses available in enrolled course. If you come here team, you can see your course here. So this is financials, not our team, but just as a reference, I'm showing it for one of the student login. I have logged in team. So your course, you can able to find here. All the sessions day wise will get uploaded here team. So just you have to click on the session and here the session will play team. Okay. So this is the LMS portal access team. This will be given to you for lifetime. Once your user account and password share it to you today, please reset the password of your own so that even I won't have the control of that. It will be for lifetime team. And then you will be provided with the application access for practicing. Here the most important point you have to notice. Everywhere you will be getting the public cloud instances, nothing but demo instances team. So demo instances, what happens team? Every 3 days or every 5 days or 1 week, Oracle will refresh the application. Means whatever you configured in the system, everything will delete. Again, you have to redo all the setups team. But we will be having our own private server team as we are a Oracle partnered vendor team. We have our own private server. So 5 months of private and public cloud servers will be given to you. So end-to-end implementation you can able to do in that team. Real-time project implementation you can able to execute in that. So stable server for 5 months with non-refresh data we will be providing here team, which you will be not getting anywhere. And then for every module you will be getting the student manuals. When I say student manuals, I'm not talking about the Oracle standard documents team. For every module that I mentioned in the training program, we have our own structured material team. So this is the Drive folder access you will be getting after the enrollment today team. Batch materials. So every module you will have a folder. Core HR, this is absences, payroll, then talent management, fast formulas, then inbound integrations. For every module you have a folder team. Once you go to that, you can able to find all the materials team like this. You will get the material team. See, this is a entire core HR module PDF, customized manual team. You don't need to prepare the notes. Everything delivered to us on a very spoon-feeded way team. See, with every explanation and all the screenshots team. Even today's session, 1 hour what I have taken, that also scripted here. Okay. See, introduction to the application, what modules we have, whatever I explained team, technical what we have. Then tomorrow onwards, what I'm going to start, that all team. Explanation with screenshots, step-by-step navigations team. For every module, you will be getting this. And also team, along with that, from the point of placement assistance team, we will be providing you one-to-one doubt session will be there. Every day after the session, I will be available. You can able to discuss with me directly. While practicing, if you have people from other time zones, US, Middle East, UK who join team, you can able to reach out to us in the WhatsApp as well team. We have a dedicated WhatsApp community and also WhatsApp support number or call support. You can able to reach out to us team. You can drop your query we will able to help you out as part of the doubts assistance team. And for every module, we will be providing you the real-time project assignments as well, like this team. Let's say core HR, or if you go to assignments folder team, you can find all your assignments here team. So like this, we will give. This is one of the absence management assignment team. So we'll give you the real-time requirement. I want this leave with these criteria. Please do configure. All the real-time requirements from the real-time projects you will be providing team. So you will be getting the hands-on exercise in the application before attending the interview. The live project experience you will be getting once you practice all the assignments that what we are going to give team. And then for every person, we will be helping out with the resume preparation team like this. In this materials folder only, if you find a folder by name, sample resumes you have. So all resumes you can find, samples team, experienced, freshers, non-IT to IT switching, all different criteria resumes dump we have team. You can use this as a reference and you can prepare your resume team and share it back to our team. So we will be again re-editing that and we will prepare accordingly what is required as per the market team. So we will provide with resume preparation, project assignments, and the most important point is team, interview question and answers. We are not going to share only the questions with answers team. This folder we created out of our student experiences team. Means different students, when they attend the interview, they have collected their recordings, and from that we have prepared all these documents team. If you go to interview questions folder, for all modules team, you will have the questions. Even the real-time scenario questions also we have team. So we made all that repository team. It's real-time scenario questions faced by students. What is that question? What is that answer? All interview question and answers documents you will be provided team. And by the way, these materials, everything are downloadable. After the drive access, you can able to download them as well team. So for every module, interview question and answers also will be provided to you team. And also every Saturday in office between morning 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., we will be having the mock interviews team. If you are from Hyderabad, you can come down to the office team. We are based out in KPHP. You can Google it directly. So if you go to Google and if you search, you can search here team, TrioTech software trainings. So we are here team, third floor beside Forum Mall. Okay, that is Nexus Mall team. So if you want to come down for the office, even you can come down team and you can attend the mocks as well. And even for the practicing purpose, those sessions conducted in the morning, 8 to 9 in online Zoom team. If you are free, working professionals, okay, you cannot able to accommodate. But if you are free, if you want to come down to the office, sit and practice team, and if you want to meet me, you can please come down to the office as well. Every day, 9:30 to 6:30, office remains open team. You can come and you can practice the day-to-day sessions by sitting in the office as well. And if you want to interact with me, I will be available there in the office as well team. And mock interviews usually every Saturday we will conduct team. If I am available, my bandwidth is there, I will take, or my colleagues from different companies who are currently working professionals, they will be taking up team. And we do help out with the referrals as well team, because every month companies will be reaching out to us for trained resources team. We will be sharing the profiles from our side to the companies also. Whenever we get the requirements team, once you enroll team, all of you will be added in the WhatsApp community for the batch of August team. So we'll be posting the requirements like this. Whenever we get this, you can able to apply to that directly by referring TrioTech you are from as a student team. So from the point of interviews team, resume preparation, interview question and answers, assignments, mock interviews, and sharing profiles to company. A part of this team, along with our regular training, when we are about to close the batch, when the placement things are starting up to you, you are planning to drop the resumes and all team, I am going to conduct some workshop sessions as well team, starting with how to prepare the resume, Fresher resume, how to prepare. Experience, how to prepare. If you are manipulating and trying to keep some sort of fake experience or something, that type of resumes, how to prepare, what projects to keep in. I'm going to take a workshop sessions on that. And for the freshers, how to reach out the HRs in the company's team, starting from creating the Naukri account, LinkedIn account, how to upload the profile, how to reach connections in the LinkedIn. These all also will be explained to you as part of the workshop team. And the real-time project implementation team, because you don't know, you are keeping some 3 years experience and you are dropping the resume. Some realistic questions will come to you. Simple questions, not subject oriented. Subject oriented, you will tell. In core HR, in absence, if they come with questions, you will tell because you learned and you prepared. But some process oriented questions they will ask you to understand you are genuine or not. Something like, can you tell me what are your day-to-day activities in the company? How you know that? You really didn't work on that. You are keeping experience and you are going. How you will answer this question? Or tell me what is the size of your project? Means how many resources working in your project? How many are from functional? How many are technical? Acha, okay. In support project, average in a week, how many tickets you will work on? These all are real-time process questions, team. In a company, in your day-to-day life, what you will do? For that matter, team, will take a workshop session as well, team. Okay. We will explain you first of all what are the different projects in this technology. Implementation project means what? Support project means what? Testing project means what? Once you get the job, once you onboard into the company, who will come to receive you? How you will collect the laptop? Who is project manager? How many people in the team you will have? Every day, how you will interact with the client through email, through phone call, or through Zoom meetings or Microsoft Teams, or in support projects, what ticketing tools you will use, ServiceNow, Jira, these all things. From the point of placements team, these workshops will be conducted to you. The entire life cycle of the project, okay, different types of environments, everything you will be getting team. What is the team size? Then support project means what? Implementation project means what? What are the ticket statuses? What do you mean by L1, L2, L3 or P1, P2, P3? These all you will be getting covered as part of workshop team. So this is about the program team. So whoever yet to submit the details in the Google form, please submit team. Because today by 11:30 or 12 o'clock, our team will be reaching out in the WhatsApp to you, whatever the numbers you have submitted for the enrollments team. So only, starting from tomorrow, we will be starting with our regular classes team, morning 8 o'clock. People who enrolled, you will be getting 3 things today. One will be adding you in the WhatsApp group. Secondly, access to the portal, that is accessing the videos team, that portal access, and Fusion environment access, the application access for practicing team. Along with that team, Zoom meeting link to attend the session starting from tomorrow. New meeting link will be shared for only enrolled participants team. So coming to the course price. So actual price of the course will be 25,000 team for 3 months duration with lifetime access to videos and 5 months server access team. 25,000 is the course fee team, but we have an early bird offer. So usually for every batch, for day one enrollments team, you will have a drive only for day one. That is, offer will be valid for today. That will be 22,999 team. So as I told, this is a no coding required application team. Anyone from any background can learn this. What additional benefits you will get if you enroll team with this early bird offer? You will be getting a discount and you will be getting the price at 22,999, and you will be getting these add-ons as well team. Usually you will get the server access for 5 months, but people enrolling with this early bird offer, you will get 2 more months additional server access, that to private server. See, private server, anywhere you go and check team, if any institute or any consultancy providing, per month they will charge you 5,000 rupees for private server. I'm not talking about demos. Demos people will sell for 1,000 rupees, 1,500 also team. But for private server, per month 5,000 or 3,000 to 4,000 people will be charging team. So people enrolling with this early board offer today, along with the regular course offering team, 2 months additional private server access worth 6,000 rupees you will get team. Means 5 plus 2, total 7 months you will have the server access with this enrollment offer team. And along with that, some technical templates also you will be getting team. For example, team, I have explained you inbound integration. Here we have a concept called HCDL team. This is a bulk uploading tool we have in the system. So we have to prepare the templates and all in the projects team. But we are going to provide you real-time project HCDL templates, which are ready-madely available team. That HCDL templates you will be getting. Plus real-time project fast formula templates. We have a concept called fast formula team. This will be used in payroll module, absence module, compensation module, everywhere. So ready-made team, more than 100 plus ready-made fast formulas of different real-time requirements. What we worked on in our experiences, we consolidated team. Requirement, the formula logic for that, which you can use in payroll elements or absences team. That ready-made fast formula guide of more than 100 plus formula templates team, ready inbuilt. So you can use it directly in your projects as well team. So that project fast formula templates also you will be getting. So these are the add-ons you will be getting as part of the enrollment for today team. So this offer will be valid for today. From tomorrow, it will be regular price team, 25,000, and you will be getting the 5-month server access with no any additional add-ons team. So today, when you receive the WhatsApp message for the enrollment confirmation team, please do reply to us so that we can share the details accordingly and you can able to enroll team. So this is about the demo for today team. So I hope everyone understood what is this Fusion HCM cloud application, the basic understanding of this, and where we will be landing upon team. This knowledge repository certification process I will take in tomorrow session team. Today already we are exceeding the time. This I will take in tomorrow session team. But before taking up the question and answers team, I want to show you some more things team. Many of you having a question. Kumar, I'm a fresher. Do we have the calls for fresher? Or Kumar, do this technology have any recession impact? Everywhere we are hearing recession. When I go to YouTube, when I go to news channels, everywhere people talking about recession. In US, recession is coming. That impact will be there for the entire world. Do we have the impact for this technology? Or you might have a long career gap team. Okay, after your graduation, 6 years, 8 years, 10 years, long career gap you have. Or without coding, I want to learn some new technology. These all are different questions that you might have, team. I'm not from IT background. Am I eligible to this role or not? I'm too old. I'm 35 years, 40 years. I have 10 years gap in between. Am I eligible? See, team, I can tell you one thing. As I keep on telling from last 1 hour, team. First of all, in this ERP applications, I'm not talking about only Oracle Fusion team. You take SAP, Oracle Fusion, or PeopleSoft, EBS. In any ERP applications team, the best part is entry to the non-technical people team. Companies will not take your technical degree as a constraint here. You are from any background team, any degree you pursue, you are eligible to learn this course. Companies will accept the profiles team if you are technically sound, knowledgeable in the interview team. Secondly, you have prior non-IT experiences. Now you want to move to this fusion. You can do that team. Okay. And then if you have a career gaps also, we have a testimonial team, a person with 42, 43 years of age also, who worked in banking industry, and some pharma background prior to that team who recently got placed with Zensar team. There are cases we have. So if you have a career gap also, if you properly prepare, if you properly plan how to portray your resume, how to showcase the experience, documentation and all, you can start your career in IT with good package. Even freshers, we have the requirement team in the market. Companies do recruiting, even in Hyderabad also. B Trians, Clover Infotech, Apps Associate, then even in Capgemini, there are recruitments happening on freshers team. And a freshers with a package of 4 lakhs to 5.56 lakhs currently market offering team. And an experienced person with 3 to 4 years relevant team drawing 15 to 25 lakhs CTC in this domain team. And coming to the recessions also team, the best part with ERP applications team, recessions impact we have very minimal. I don't say that zero, but very, very minimal team. Unless you are underperformed, underrated, technically you are lagging in the organization, company feel that you are burden, then only they will keep you in bench, then only they will terminate you. But from the point of demand, from the point of recruitment team, recession impacts we don't have. Even now, we have very good recruitments going on, even in this typical time also. Because team, these applications will be used in the organizations in their day-to-day business functioning. Any client cannot stop these applications team. If they stop it, their day-to-day business activities they cannot conduct. That is why the recession impact in these domains will be very minimal team. So no need to hesitate about anything. And moreover, these technologies will have very long shelf life. Means what team? A common myth people will have. Kumar, in IT industry, we have something like every 2 years, every 3 years, there will be change in the technologies. We have to again learn something, we have to move on. But with ERP applications, we don't have that challenge team. SAP you take, Oracle EBS you take, PeopleSoft you take. From last 30, 40 years, they are in the market. Even now, people working on that. So Fusion came recently. Next 15, 20 years in the market, this is going to be ruling team in the ERP area. If you start your career in this, you will have a very long shelf life. No need to worry about learning something new every 2-3 years. No, you can travel in the same application for next 15, 20 years, at least team, even more than that also. So that is what I want to share with you. And you can see here some of our students that who got recently placed in these companies team in Deloitte, Accenture, Evosys, Apps Associate. Some of them I have not included. We have Drive Stream for freshers recruitment happened, Clover Infotech, and even here we have IVY Computech in Hyderabad who recruiting the candidates team from our institute. Okay, and you can see here our placement success stories team. In July and August, in these 2 months, we have a phenomenal achievement team. 26 students got placed as a Oracle HCM consultants team in different companies you can see here. In Cognizant, in Valuers, in PwC, in Avalon Software Services, Genser Technologies. And this person, Aman Singh, he alone got three offers team. He got in Valuers, he got in PwC, and he got in Accenture. But he chosen Valuers because the package is high compared to other things team. So recruitment wise, you don't need to doubt about it team. If you learn the concept wise, technically, if you learn the subject wisely, if you are confident enough team, the recruitment is going on very rapidly in the market team. Only thing is proper plan is needed. How we preparing the resume, what experience we keeping, or if it is a fresher, what key components we are including, then how we are following up in the job portals. These all things, if you properly plan, definitely you can able to get the offer team. So please follow what we are guiding in the course duration team. So you can able to get that placed. And even you can find us in the Google also team. The recent reviews, if you want to directly check in, just Google it, TrioTech software trainings. These all are the student reviews team, your prior batch, the alumni who recently completed team. You can even find out the reviews of our students team to understand the quality of the output and some of the placement proofs, the students who messaged me back when they got the offers team. See, these all are the students who got their offers and they have shared their happiness or the feedbacks to us. So it is just to show you how the things will happen in TrioTech team. So this is about the demo for today team. So now I will be unmuting team. So if you have any questions, please do reach out team so that I can able to help you out. So I request everyone, please confirm the enrollments today and enroll with this offer to get this additional benefits team. By 11:30 or 12, you will be getting the WhatsApp message for the enrollment confirmation team, whoever submitted the Google form team, by the way, so that you can confirm us. So from tomorrow, we are going to start with our regular classes team. Okay. So let me unmute everyone team. So one by one, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Any questions in today's demo team?
Yeah. Hi Kumar, this is Nikhil. I
Hi,
want to
Nick.
understand how is a breakup of the payment? It is one go, or it should be installed.
It will be one-time payment only, Nikhil. If you want a kind of link to paying through the credit card or something, team will help out. For regarding the enrollment process, you can reach out offline. We
Offline?
can
Okay.
assist you.
Okay,
Okay.
fine.
Yeah. Yeah. Subject point of view, any questions, team, or am I make you clear with all your doubts with respective to opportunities, career-wise, how good this technology, what salaries are there in the market, everything? Come speak up. You have to ask me, so I can able to help you out. Any doubts you
Hi
have?
Kumar,
Hi, Kumar. Good
Kirtana this
morning.
side.
Yes. Yes, please tell me. Yeah, one lady, please tell me. You're asking something.
Yeah, I just want to understand about the other modules like Oracle Learning and Oracle Recruiting and
In
like.
this bandwidth of 3 months, it is very
Mhm.
hard to adjust these components. These we are not covering actually as of today. But in the form of e-learning, we are going to release the courses. You can go ahead and go with that. But in this program, these things will be covered, whatever that I mentioned.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yeah, hi Kumar. This is Ashok.
Hi,
So
Ashok.
previously I have 3 years of experience from HR side only. So
Mhm.
now I just want to take this course and add up the skill into my resume.
Mhm.
So how this will be like a
Mhm.
positive way for me? So what are the skills? Like what are
Definitely, it will be a positive way, Ashok. As such, you are from the HR background. You can showcase the relevant experience. You don't need to change your employment or anything. Just showcase something like in your current company for whatever the clients, the recruitment activities you are doing. They are using Oracle HCM Cloud as an internal HR tool. You are working as an end user to that. So rather
yeah.
than changing up the entire employment and all, try to showcase this type of relevant experience into your resume. So your profile will pick up. Many HR people commonly will do this one, and we have seen many success stories happen in this.
Okay, and I have one more doubt as well. So one of my friend, he has a long gap from his graduation time. So he
Mhm.
just want to take this course. So he needs
Long
to
gap means how
put
many years can I know?
maybe approximately 6 years.
That's not a problem. Of 10, 12 years
The
also.
point is,
But
does he need to keep any fake
that we will
experience?
discuss. Ashok, it's recording. I cannot tell that things. Let's discuss
Fine,
offline.
fine. Sorry,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Because the session is getting recorded, so any kind of other unofficial things, we'll discuss that offline. You reach out to me.
Got it, Ash.
Yeah, no problem.
Ashok, good morning. Good morning,
Kumar.
Ashok. Sorry to disturb you. My name is Arun, and I have
Mhm.
4.5 years of experience in software testing.
Great. Okay.
So actually, I want to take this course as part in my career. So what do you suggest that, is it going to be better, or so shall I
100% I can
continue
say
in
it's
testing?
better because you are already working in IT and into different domain. But the only thing is you have to do is when you're dropping the resume, the testing that what you have done, that you have to replace with Oracle HCM experience. In that
Yeah,
way,
yeah,
the profile will be picked up easily when you drop the resume. How to prepare that, what projects to loop in, that we will assist whenever we're preparing the resume.
because in one of my project, I have worked on Oracle Fusion application that was
Okay.
Paramount.
Same. So you can use that a genuine experience only.
No, okay, okay. So I'll speak with you in offline,
Sure,
Kumar.
sure.
Thanks a lot for your suggestion.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Naminda, any question?
Hi Ashok, Ubed this side.
First of all, Kumar, this is not Ashok.
Sorry, my bad.
Yeah,
Uh,
Mirza, please.
so Kumar, the thing is that I'm working in Infosys. I'm also working on Oracle admin. So I just want to switch it to Oracle HCM. So the thing is, once I complete the course, then how I will be, showcase that I have worked for, I have worked on Oracle for 3 years, because I think that 3 months content will not be, fulfilling the 3 years
No, good
work.
question. Good
So how to,
question. See,
yes.
basically, this program structured in such a way that, see, I can tell you one thing. If you check anywhere else, this program will be conducted in 45 days. I mean, regularly anywhere, this program will conduct in 45 days. But we are taking up in 3 months to 3 months, 15 days. The reason behind that is we are not going to take up this training just on a high level, explaining the theory and moving ahead. This is going to be a hands-on end-to-end implementation training. With this training, you can portray yourself with 4 to 5 years of real-time experience. With really a person who worked for 5, 6 projects in the real time, with 4 to 5 years of experience, what level of knowledge he will gain. Definitely after this program, you will be getting that. That we will rest
Okay.
assured, no doubt about that.
Okay, Kumar. So how many project implementations you will be helping with
It's
us?
not about how many, it's about how
Mm-hmm.
the implementation happens in the real time will be covered. So as
Okay.
part of the
Fine.
assignments and all, you can implement
Mm-hmm.
as many scenarios that you want in. But once you deliver here the training, you will get an end-to-end exposure on the full life cycle of the project. So any project in the market that remains same, the approach will be. Okay.
Okay, so you will be, helping with one or two, or what
Will
would
be,
be the number?
yes.
Because,
Yes.
okay, 2 projects,
Yeah.
full project implement. Okay, got it. Thank you.
Hi Kumar, this is Manju.
Yes, Manjuna, please.
Kumar, I've been thinking a lot about this course from past 1 year. So I
Mm.
finally would
Yeah,
like
I
to
recognize. I think last 23 you reached first of all. Yeah.
yeah. I've been dragging up this from very long time since I got stuck in some of the projects in my office. So my concern is initially I worked as a data engineer. I joined Emphasis as a fresher almost like 21 December 2021. Initially, I joined as a data engineer. I got a few hands-on experience on SQL and something. Due to lack of project, these things. Later, I got into bench, and from past 1.5 years, I've been working though I joined as IT this thing, but still I got into some non-IT project. I've been working in from past 1.5 year as a non-IT
Okay.
this thing. But I would like to know, and moreover, most of the companies nowadays are not accepting 3 months of notice period. But right now I'm having 3 months of notice period. Would you please help me
Yes.
with how
See,
would that affect and
I
how
will.
can
Same question for me also, for
Yeah. See,
Kumar.
I will contradict with you. Companies have the concern, but as of 2024 census, you take every company amend their policy to 3 months. Maximum companies. They are not accepting, you are telling, but maximum companies in the market moving towards 3 month policy because of employee attrition rate. They can't hold the employees. That is the reason 3 months they are giving the notice period. But there will be companies who will accept 3 months also. If everyone have an urgency and they want to go within 1 month means they will check the possibilities. If your company will allow with a buyout policy is there for the notice period or not. There are companies who will do that also. You know, right? Whatever
yeah,
the
I've
notice
already
period,
spoke regarding this buyout
ah,
policy with my HR.
they will buy
He was
out.
say yeah. He was something saying that we don't have that policy right now, but if your manager agrees, you can go ahead with the
Exactly.
early release.
Everything will relies with your manager and your relation. If you have
Yeah.
that, we have to see. It is not about only Oracle HCM, Manju or Ali.
Mm.
Any technology, the problem will face because your company policy is that you have to work it upon. Maximum companies do allow, because even in my company, my subordinates also will ask me for every relieving. I have to give that because I can't hold them, right, for a long time. Anyhow,
Yeah.
he's leaving. What benefit I will get in 1-2 months? So we have to check out the possibilities. And the company who offering you, if they are in urgency, they definitely offer you the buyout policy. They will bear on behalf of you that cost. So it's not be a big deal. That's common thing in IT.
Okay. Okay.
Hi,
So Kumar,
hi,
I
And
have
Kumar.
one
Gaurav,
last
would you
question.
be?
Namita,
I would like.
Namita, please tell me. Team, one question at least we'll give chance for others also. Namita, please. Or Rajita, someone say.
Hi,
No,
Kumar.
Namita. Yeah. Hi, Kumar. And so I was asking, like, you are going to give the hands-on, like assignment kind of thing. It's not like you are whatever you are implementing. We have to practice that. So you are going to give the assignment like real-time requirement to us to solve, so we can understand how we will gather the requirement from the customer, and then we will implement the things.
Yes, yes. For every module, we will give the assignments on the requirements and we will ask you to configure. Let's say absence you take. Different leaves I will give you with different requirements. That is the client requirement. You have to implement that in the system.
Okay. And one more thing, like how much is there going to be any delay after the class finish to upload the video? Like how much time will you take to
Hardly
upload
half
the
an
video?
hour it will take. 8 to 9 will be the session, or maximum by 9:45, 10, because cloud uploading will take kind of 30-40 minutes time for intermediate.
Okay.
Hardly 1 hour, not more than that.
Okay. And actually, I'm giving the interview. So, like this drive access will give
You will be
right after
getting
the registration, or
right
it will be
after.
like timing.
Nothing time. Today,
Okay.
probably today we might have a slight slowness to share the accesses because we have many participants and we have a window
Okay.
period for the account to create. So
Mm-hmm.
if you are enrolling today, by end of the day, today only you will be getting.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kumar.
Thank you.
Hi,
Rajita,
Kumar.
please.
Yeah, like I have like 9 years of experience in as an Oracle SQL PLSQL developer. So I just want to move to this technology so that I want to upgrade my technology.
Correct.
So like how in your like based on your experience, can you tell me how it will be there in my future? Like
See,
will it be a good?
definitely from the point of opportunities, if you see, and moreover, see, experience or fresher, one point I want to tell you. I forgot to share with you this earlier. See, this technology, first of all, whenever you are planning for any new technology to learn, you have to look at from the point of demand, from the point of salaries, from the point of career wise, how many years this technology is going to exist. And down the line, next 5-10 years, when my career is progressing, where I will be landing upon. I joined as a junior associate, let's say. Next 3 years, 4 years, from junior associate to associate consultant, I will stop there, or any career progressions will have in that. These all things you have to look at thing. With this technology, one best part is from the point of demand, as I already mentioned, many customers from existing ERPs moving to Fusion, the phenomenal demand is there. Recruitment wise, rapidly companies recruiting. The reason behind is already companies adopting this technology, but the required working professionals on this technology is lagging. That is the reason with double packages, they are recruiting the candidates. These two clear. Third, career point of view. How many years you can sustain in this? ERPs, as I told, long shelf life you will have. Next 15-20 years in the domain, you can able to be in this IT industry. Career-wise graph, if you see, you will start with, let's say, associate, then consultant, then principal consultant, senior consultant, solution architect, then project managers, then delivery heads, directors. You have the long career planning in these domains. Any IT companies you take at the director level, CEO level, who will be there? People who are from the ERP backgrounds only will be there. If you take any other technical domains, DevOps engineer you are working, or some other, You will work as a technical resource, technical specialist, that's all. Long career wise, in the designation wise, you won't have any graph. But this is something which will have a very long hierarchical career graph you can experience in the down the line next 10, 15 years. I'm not telling that everyone will go with that. Whoever is talented, whoever is performing well, you have the scope to that one. And moreover, these are consulting jobs. So majority of the time we will be working with the client only. So out of the size of 10 members in a project, if we have 5 to 6 people will be on site at the client location. Only 2 or 3 people will be working from office in the remote in India or whatever team. So if you have at least 3 to 4 years of experience in this domain, once you get into the project, the chances of going to on-site also will be very high, because these implementations have to be done by sitting along with the client. Every day, lot of confirmations we have to get from the client, because it's their application. We are configuring it according to their requirement. So you will have very good career-wise progression also. Anyone, not only her, the question is to everyone team.
One more question, Kumar. Like, I have my H1B visa, approved visa. So, how the opportunities will be there in the US, and whether the modules which you have covered, right? They
US,
are
these
enough.
modules are sufficient. You take US, Canada, or European market. Earlier in US, PeopleSoft is the market leader in HCM area. But PeopleSoft, when Oracle acquired, all that customers moved to Fusion. So now Oracle Fusion is performing better than SAP or Workday in US market. See, I have one of the student here in the slide. I kept forward actually. There is one person recently who passed out and not passed out, who completed our training program. She got with 120K per year for 5 years of experience showcasing. So there are very good demand in US market as well on this, compared to SAP and Workday also.
Okay, and like one last question, Kumar. Like,
Last question, please, Rajita.
yeah, last question. Like, once 2 or 3 modules has been completed, can we start creating our resume and start searching for a jobs?
You can start, but my suggestion to the students is don't do that. When you dropping the resume, try to be confident on at least 3 modules on functional and 3 to 4 on technical front, because you are dropping as a techno functional. So without having these, only these things, if you drop again, you will come as functional. You have the recruitment going on, but only 3 modules means you might get less calls. So try to prepare at least 3 modules from functional and 3-4 concepts from technical, then drop the resume.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Kumar. Thank you so much.
Hi, Kumar.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, team.
Hi,
Quickly.
Kumar.
Yeah.
So nowadays we are hearing more about AI and automation. So will there be any impact in this technology?
Definitely, AI is not an impact on this. See, AI will be a supporting tool for these applications to use, but it will not replace the humanity in this technology. I'm not talking about other domains, I don't know. But in this technology, AI already we introduced in this Fusion applications also, we have AI. But to use it in some of the components as a validational things or as a automation functionality testing point of view, are using it, but not in the configuration or the implementation side. It's we who have to configure the system, then AI can take up from there. Without configuring, AI cannot do the configuration on its own. So that will not replace any job profiles with respective to this implementation of Fusion application. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, Kumar.
Hi, sir.
Yes, Kirti. Kirti.
Yeah, hi, Kumar.
Yes, sir.
You have mentioned you'll be covering functional as well technical areas, right? So which one you'll be covering more?
See, basically it
Functional
will
or
be
technical?
70-30. Functional will be covered, but 30, when I say, it doesn't mean that you cannot get the ample knowledge. Whatever is required in the real-time projects, you will be getting that. Simple
Okay.
thing is, I might not cover it with multiple examples. I might take up 2-3 examples, but you will know the entire concept, how to work on these things. So that's how it works. So ideally, this training will be sufficient if you want to work on technical as well.
Okay. So technical
So
in
the
the
part
sense in
which
the
you will
reporting
not
side,
be
right?
covering will be in e-learning.
Sorry, e-learning.
Sorry, in the technical side, right?
So
We
the
have more tools, right? Kumar? So you'll be
We cover
covering
all that:
modules,
HDL, HSDL, BI, OTBI.
Okay.
Is someone asking who is that? Sudhir or someone who is that? Mirza, you were only asking or what? Certification, I can
yes.
see someone in the chat. Tomorrow I will tell you what is the certification process, what support you will get. We ideally support with the dumps and all. So you can.
Hi Kumar, Madan here. Hello. Hello.
Kumar, you are not audible like this.
I'm not audible.
You are audible.
Yeah, please tell me. Madan, please tell me.
Do you work as a HR or software consult or what is our
Sir, you
designation?
will not work as a HR. It is a HR related software application, which is related to HR domain. You will be working as a consultant in an IT company on this Oracle HCM cloud application. So as I told you here, whenever your company get the project, you will be working on the implementation of them, configuration of the system.
And what is the shift time, classes timings? I like 8 a.m. only. Is there
8
any
a.m. to 9 a.m. every day. So if
evening
anyone
classes
wants
is
the session,
available?
in evening batch is already started and we completed 20 classes. Last month was evening. So this month we are starting in the morning batch, 8 to 9.
Actually,
Evening
as well, I am also working. So morning shift timings my different.
See,
So we
people
can't.
who have the challenges in attending the daily sessions, as Namita was asking, right? By 9 o'clock every day, sessions will upload in the portal team. So you can cover it in the daytime. And if you have anything, you can please reach out to me. So that's what we can help you out because the timings are fixed, 8 to 9 every day. Okay. So that's all for today, team. I will conclude the topic here, team. Thank you everyone for taking your time and attending the demo today. Sorry for keeping you wait till 10:15, team. We planned for 1 hour, but somehow it got extended, team. So from tomorrow, the regular classes will be starting. So please do confirm the enrollments today, and then you will be added in the group and you will be getting the meeting link, team. So once again, thank you everyone for attending, team. Have a nice day.